Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to inverse between points using COGO in MicroSurvey CAD. Inversing between points in layman's terms means drawing a line from one point to the other, automatically calculating its length and bearing. So to get started, go up to the top and click MS COGO. Move over to the left now and click 2-point inverse. Click OK on this options menu, and now simply click the start and end points of the line in question. In this case, I'll click points 3 and 5. This gives us the exact COGO calculation of a line between these points. Now, to actually draw this line, close this window and move up to the top and click this triangle called Lines by Inversing. Now click any 2 points, doesn't matter which, and then click again to place the annotation. You can keep doing this if you wish, and MSCAD will continue to draw and calculate each line. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.